Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The US dollar and the Iraqi dinar, focusing on the changes observed in Baghdad and Erbil. It begins by noting that on Saturday, there was an uptick in the dollar's value in these two cities. This shift was documented by a survey conducted by agency, which reported on the developments in the currency exchange market. As the weekend approached, the exchange rates saw a notable increase during the opening of the Al-Khafa and Al-Harithiyya stock exchanges in Baghdad. These exchanges are significant financial hubs where currency transactions are conducted, and their opening is often a key indicator of market trends. The dollar settled at a rate of 149,850 dinars for every $100. This represents a slight increase from Thursday's rate, which had been 149,700 dinars for the same amount. This rise in exchange rates indicates fluctuations influenced by various economic factors, including demand for foreign currency, changes in oil prices, and overall economic stability in Iraq. In Baghdad's exchange stores, the rates varied slightly from the stock exchange rates. The selling rate, which is the price at which vendors sell the dollar, was recorded at 150,750 dinars for every $100. This figure suggests a premium charged over the stock exchange rate, which is common as sellers often account for various operational costs and market demand in setting their prices. The buying rate, which indicates the price at which vendors purchase dollars from customers, was lower at 148,750 dinars. This discrepancy between buying and selling rates reflects the profit margin that exchange stores aim to maintain. In Erbil, which is located in the semi-autonomous region of Kurdistan, the dynamics of the dollar's exchange rate also showed significant figures. The selling price in Erbil reached 150,000 dinars for every $100, indicating that it was slightly lower than Baghdad's selling rate. However, the buying price in Erbil was noted at 149,700 dinars, aligning more closely with the rates seen in Baghdad. This slight variation between the two cities may be influenced by local economic conditions, the volume of currency traded, and the proximity to international markets. The exchange rate fluctuations are not merely numbers, they represent broader economic trends and implications for both individuals and businesses in Iraq. A rising dollar typically reflects a strong demand for foreign currency, which could be driven by various factors such as imports, travel, or even remittances from Iraqis living abroad. This situation can impact local consumers, especially since many goods in Iraq are imported and priced in dollars. Consequently, as the dollar strengthens against the dinar, the cost of imported goods may increase, potentially leading to inflationary pressures within the domestic market. Understanding these exchange rates is crucial for various stakeholders, including businesses engaged in trade, individuals looking to travel or make purchases abroad, and policymakers monitoring economic stability. The movements of the dollar against the dinar can influence strategic decisions related to investment, budgeting, and financial planning. Exchange rates are a critical aspect of international finance and trade, representing the value of one currency in relation to another. They fluctuate due to various factors, including interest rates, inflation, political stability, and economic performance. Understanding these fluctuations is essential for individuals, businesses, and policymakers. For example, the US dollar often serves as the benchmark currency for global trade, and its strength can significantly impact other currencies. When the dollar appreciates against the Iraqi dinar, it suggests that the dinar has weakened relative to the dollar. This situation can arise from various factors such as increased demand for dollars driven by rising import levels, remittances from Iraqis abroad, or foreign investment seeking stability in hard currencies. As the dollar strengthens, imported goods, many of which are essential for daily life in Iraq, become more expensive. For instance, if a consumer wishes to buy electronics, clothing, or even food products that are imported, they may find that prices rise as the exchange rate shifts. This increase in costs can lead to inflation, where the general price level of goods and services rises, eroding purchasing power for consumers. Inflation can disproportionately affect lower-income households that spend a higher percentage of their income on basic necessities. As prices rise, these households may struggle to afford everyday items, leading to decreased living standards and potential social unrest. In contrast, businesses that rely heavily on imported goods may face squeezed profit margins, prompting them to pass on costs to consumers or find alternative sourcing strategies. Understanding the dynamics of exchange rates thus becomes crucial for various stakeholders. Businesses engaged in trade must develop strategies to hedge against currency risk, while individuals planning to travel or purchase goods abroad need to be aware of how exchange rate fluctuations can impact their finances. Policymakers, on the other hand, must monitor these trends to ensure economic stability and implement measures to support the dinar's value. Moreover, this exchange rate trend serves as a reflection of the political and economic landscape in Iraq. The value of the dinar against the dollar can be affected by internal factors such as government policy, security issues, and the overall economic environment, as well as external influences like global economic trends, oil prices, and international relations. Iraq, being a significant oil-producing nation, often sees its currency influenced by fluctuations in oil prices, which play a vital role in its economy. In summary, the fluctuations in the US dollar exchange rates against the Iraqi dinar observed in Baghdad and Erbil on Saturday illustrate the complex interplay of various economic factors. The reported rates from the stock exchanges and exchange stores provide insight into market conditions and the broader economic implications for individuals and businesses operating in Iraq. As the dollar continues to rise against the dinar, it presents both opportunities and challenges for the Iraqi economy, shaping the financial landscape for many. Understanding these dynamics is essential for navigating the ever-changing economic environment in Iraq. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.